Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can buy a single product from Alibaba for personal use. Okay, so as you know guys, most people that buy things from Alibaba do buy large quantities. Okay, because Alibaba owns AliExpress too. Like they are the same company, only like the difference between AliExpress and Alibaba is on AliExpress you can buy a single item, but that doesn't mean you cannot buy a single item from Alibaba. It's actually cheaper on Alibaba than AliExpress because most suppliers from AliExpress, they are getting these items from Alibaba, so they charge more, so they want to make some profit. That's why prices on AliExpress are much higher than prices on Alibaba. Okay, so to buy guys a single product from Alibaba for personal use, that like a product you like and you want to buy it and you want it to get it, you want to get it delivered to your house. Now this is how you can do this. Okay, so as you can see, the prices on Alibaba are very cheap compared to AliExpress because I've been using both for a very long time. I have found that on Alibaba you can find really cheap prices. So yeah, let's get into it. Now just let me just log in into my account. Like if you don't have an account, you wanna just register, or if you have it, just click on sign in here and then sign in using your Google account or whatever. Okay, I'm going to register using my Google account. Okay, so now I have logged in into my Alibaba account. Now what you guys need to do is to search for what you want to buy. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can filter only items that are available for shipping. Okay, because on Alibaba there are companies that don't work until someone places the order, and then the manufacturer they try to make that item for the buyer, and then it takes 15 days for the item to be made. Okay, so that they can make that item, and then it will take again 15 days for the shipping. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Alibaba just like you are using AliExpress. Now I'm going to show you guys what I mean. Just search, for example, for what you want to purchase. So for example, I would like to buy makeup products. Okay, all right, so now after guys you search for makeup products, okay, or whatever you want to purchase, here as you can see it says here delivery by. Okay, now what you guys need to do is to select one of these. Okay, it says here delivery by November 9. You just need to select it, select one in the middle. Okay, select it, and as you can see it will show you only now items that are available for shipping right now. Now if you buy this item right now, it will be available for shipping. Okay, and then you will they will ship the product to you guys within a few days. From my experience, the handling time is going to be 2 days. Okay, and the shipping, it depends on your country. So if you are shipping this to United States, this is going to take around 15 days. Okay, sometimes 10 days. So now find a product that you want to purchase and click on it. All right, now as you can see, if you click on the product that you want to purchase, now you can see this button that says start order or add to cart. Okay, now you want to first choose which one you want. So I would like to buy this color. Click on continue to order. Okay, the minimum order here for this item is 50. I forgot to show you something. Go back and don't only click on here that says don't only select this one that says delivery by. You also have to scroll down a little bit, and here where it says minimum order, you want to select one. Okay, because probably you want to buy a single product. Okay, click on here where it says minimum order, select here one, click on okay. That's it. Now all the products you can see here are going to be available for shipping right now. Okay, okay, this search makeup. Now I'm going to search for makeup bag, for example. I'm going to change the minimum order to 1. Okay, click on okay. All right, now all the products here are available for shipping. Okay, so for example, I want to buy this product. Click on it. It says here start order request. Don't if it says here start order request, just ignore it and find another product that says order. Now I'm going to check this one. Yeah, this one says start order. So you want to click here, it says start order, and here you want to select the color here, and then click on continue to order, and here you want to add your address. Keep in mind that the shipping is going to be so high. Okay, if the shipping is very expensive, then what you guys need to do in this case is to contact the supplier. Tell them exactly where you are from and why the shipping is very high. You can also change here the shipping here. You can also select another shipping method, which is like DHL or FedEx or whatever you want. So here, as you can see, the shipping price here is $83, which is very expensive because this item is only $4. So if you don't like it, just ignore it and find another similar product to the product you want. Okay, so for example, let's check this one. Yeah, the shipping price here is $7, which is reasonable compared to like $83, because you know, I'm going to, yeah, the minimum order for this item adjust. Okay, I'm going to select one, click on continue to order, and as you can see, the shipping fee here is $25, which is still expensive. Okay, I'm going to check if we can reduce the price a little bit. Okay, because I'm shipping this to Morocco, that's the reason why, guys. The address here is Morocco, so you want to change it to United States. Okay, because Morocco, because of taxes and multiple things, that's why the shipping price is very high. Now that's exactly, guys, what you need, and then after that you want to click on process to pay, and then that's it. Okay, you will have to add here your card number, like CVV, and then month and year, and then click on pay now. That's it. Okay, now after 2 days you will receive an email that the product has been shipped and it's in transit to you. Okay, and you just need to wait. That's exactly, and tracking number will be provided to you, of course. Okay, so hopefully this one, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments exactly your questions, and yeah, that's it. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you.